Guys, I know it's been a while. I've been starting my new job. I left that paper mill and went back on the road as a pipe fitter. So anyway, I'm back home for a couple weeks during the holidays. So working on a little project for some property I got. Had a trespasser come in from the backside of my property the other day. So we're gonna build a little gate to keep people out. So y'all just follow along. All right, guys, here's what I got so far. This is a post that's gonna go on the ground. I didn't have enough 1.5 inches to do a full stick, so I took what I had, just welded some square tubing to it. The square tubing will be in concrete and part of the pipe also. But this 1.5 inches is going to slide through these 2-inch pieces of pipe, make like a hinge. This is the gate I got everything tacked up. I got to weld it all out. I'm going to cut me basically a washer to go around right here, so that bottom piece right there will sit on top of that. And then when I get out to my property and slide this thing on, I'll weld another one on top to be on top of this piece so it can't come off. But anyway, that's about what I got. It turned out too bad. I'll follow along. All right, guys, here's these washers I'm gonna make for them 2 pieces of 2-inch pipe. One of them, the bottom one's gonna sit on this one, and then once I slide the whole gate on that piece of pipe, I'm gonna put this one on top to seal it all off. For those that don't know, this right here will help keep your soapstone marks on there. And it makes it easier to see. All right, guys, got it all prefabbed. I just gotta go out there, dig the holes, and set this pipe in the ground. Let the concrete set up, then go back out there and slide this thing on. and weld this washer on top. And then over here, after I get my posts both sides set, I left this a little bit long. That way if I get off on my measurements or something, I can just cut some off while I'm out there. And that's gonna weld right here. Just got a little chain link. This slot right here will put right over that. That's it. Put a lock on it. We'll be done. Alright guys, we got the gate done. I may throw a little paint on it, just keep it from rusting so bad. Turned out pretty good. Put me a lock right there. This hinge system worked out pretty well. There she is, all done.